Also, the new courses with HVAC School that we put out are really popular because there's a lot of video and a lot of interactivity, and people love a lot of these big. And these YouTubers have built an incredible following because they're so good at teaching, and we've been able to leverage a lot of that content in our courses, which has been really cool.
And that's where you said you partnered with a guy who does the HVAC. So
Yeah.
he's helping you with the video and the education there.
Yeah. So we're taking his entire library of content and we put it all into the app and building out
Oh, cool.
that, which is really cool. So.